head to the Zoom website, zoom.us. That's not the app or the browser version of Zoom. This is just the actual website where all of your account settings are. Once there, go ahead and sign into your account using your Wright Institute credentials and find the meeting that you would like, or the class meeting that you would like to add poll questions to. So for instance, let's add poll questions to my class. I clicked on the meeting, you can see all the meeting information, and if I scroll down, there's the option for polls. It says you have not created any polls yet. I'm going to hit add. Let's call this example poll, very creative. I can choose whether or not I want students to be able to respond anonymously. And then I'll ask my question. I'll put in my answers that students can pick and tell whether they can pick one choice or whether they can each pick multiple choices. If I wanted to have a multi-question poll, I could add questions now, but let's just leave it with this one for now. So I've gone ahead and opened up that class meeting where we're going to use the poll. And you'll see if you've created polls for your class, you'll have this button, Polling, at the bottom. If I want to go ahead and send the poll to my students, I'll click Polling. You can see the poll that you created, and you can change it at this point if you want to make any changes. I feel fine about this, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Launch Poll, which means that it gets sent to my students. When the poll is over, and I think all of my students have voted, I'll hit End Poll. And I can choose, do I want to make the results visible to everyone? Or maybe I just wanted to know for myself. For instance, if I was using the question to gauge understanding, I might not want to share the results with the entire class.